Hi everyone, today we are focusing on those lower abdominal muscles. Hi, I'm Alyssa and I work with Hershey Family Chiropractic. For this exercise, we are doing advanced bird dogs. Now these may look familiar if you watched Core Phase 1. This is the advanced modified version of that exercise. So we're gonna go down onto those hands and knees again. Hands right underneath the shoulders, knees right underneath the hips. You're gonna start by extending that hand out and that leg. Now, instead of holding like we did for Phase 1, you're going to bring that elbow to that knee and to try to touch underneath that belly button, extend them all the way out. And we're gonna continue this movement for 10 reps before we extend onto the other side. For this exercise, we're gonna be doing hip bridges. You're gonna lay on the floor, keep those feet about hip width apart, and arms lay flat down on either side of you. Before we begin, you're gonna tuck in that belly button, suck it in so that there's no gap underneath that back. Then you're gonna push up from those hips with that core engaged. We're gonna hold this stance for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times. We're gonna be doing side planks next. You're gonna go down on that forearm, keeping that elbow nice and aligned with that shoulder. Your free hand is gonna go on top of your hip so it's out of the way. And we're going to first engage that core, push up from the hip, and we're gonna hold this stance for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you're gonna come down, roll over to the other side, and we're gonna repeat for 30 seconds on the opposite side. Thanks for following along with Scoliosis Phase 2 exercises. These exercises should be performed at least 2 to 3 times a week, along with those Phase 1 exercises as well. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button below.